Trick or treat.
Oh, you know.
Trick or treat.
Happy Halloween. You want some candy?
Trick or treat.
Trick or treat. Hi. He's not scared. She's not
Trick or
scared
treat.
either.
Look at him, the rebel.
Hi, trick or treat. What, you're not scared? Say hi to Jade.
I hate when the battery's
Say
dying.
hi, Jade. Maro, that's Jade.
Let them walk past you guys. Come
Wanna
on.
come in? Are you, is it Shay?
Yeah.
And Castro.
Yeah.
Oh, my goodness.
He's a little froggy.
Oh,
See?
he's adorable.
Fun.
That's always nice.
Yeah, it's...
How's he doing?
Ah!
Trick or treat.
Oh.
Are you going to go get candy?
No.
Very good. Look at that. Hello, Mo. Shake my hand. Yeah, isn't that scary? There's another skeleton right here. Look at this guy.
Where is it?
The skeleton. See what we got you? Watch out for a second. Mara's behind you. Here, Mara. Trick or treat.
Candy.
Mara?
Oh, my jacket.
Yeah, take off your coat. Let's see.
No one take it off.
Oh, he's a rebel.
It doesn't fit in the glasses.
Yeah.
Mara, do
You want to go to some of the houses?
Yeah, put them all in a bowl.
No.
No. A bowl that you can keep in your room.
Do you have a drink?
It's light out. I'm so scared.